Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your name in Angry Birds 2. To change your name in Angry Birds 2 is a straightforward process. First of all, open up Angry Birds 2 on your device and from the home page, tap on your player name at the top of the screen. Now here, you will be able to see your name. Simply tap on it and then erase the current name and write down the new name you want to change to. After you do that, click on Save Changes. Within a few seconds, your nickname will be changed and it will be displayed at the top of the main screen. Always ensure that the chosen name and avatar comply with the game's safety guidelines to maintain a friendly and respectful gaming environment. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.